My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, we're going to the GM Nationals. And that's it for the 2026 GM Nationals. It's a smaller show compared to the other Carlisle shows. I don't really know why. Everyone has a GM, so I'm not sure why that one's not the biggest. I don't know. I'm sure they're working on it. Either way, big, small, I have fun at any car show or any swap meet, so I had a blast. And saw a lot of cool cars. I'm driven towards more unique stuff. So I hope I portrayed that well. I hope you saw a lot of stuff that maybe you haven't seen before, a lot of cool vehicles. And I just had a lot of fun filming it. I'm having a lot of fun doing a video every day. It's challenging, it's difficult, but ultimately it's a lot of fun. And I feel like I get to see you guys every day, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys are interested, here's a video on why I'm making a video every day to meet Cleetus. That'll explain in detail. And like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I do cool stuff. I'm working on trying to just get monetized right now, so I'm not building a lot of stuff right now, but I have lots of great plans, great ideas. I just am working towards getting monetized, and you can help me get there by commenting, and subscribing. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to come out with another awesome video, and thank you for tuning in.